Welcome to Know Hive, online learning community from Kerala. Myself Mitra, AI-based personal assistant of Dr. Prem Shankar. I would like to welcome everyone to web scraping and data analytics with Python course. In last video we have discussed about Beautiful Soup module and how Beautiful Soup used for extracting information from an HTML page. Today we will going to discuss about small web scraping project with the Beautiful Soup module. Google search automation. Whenever I search a topic on Google, I don't look at just one search result at a time. By middle-clicking a search result link, I open the first several links in a bunch of new tabs to read later. I search Google often enough that this workflow, opening my browser, searching for a topic, and clicking several links one by one, is tedious. It would be nice if I could simply type a search term and have my computer automatically open a browser with all the top search results in new tabs. Let's write a Python script to do this with the Google search results page. This is what your program does. Gets search keywords, retrieves the search results page, opens a browser tab for each result. This means your code will need to do the following. Read the keyword, fetch the search result page with the requests module, find the links to each search result, call the webbrowser.open function to open the web browser. Detailed steps to do. Step 1. Get the search keyword and request the search page before coding anything. You first need to know the URL of the search result page. By looking at the browser's address bar after doing a search, you can see URL of the result page. The requests module can download this web page and then you can use Beautiful Soup to find the search result links in the HTML. Finally, you'll use the web browser module to open those links in browser tabs. Step 2. Find all the results. Now you need to use Beautiful Soup to extract the top search result links from your downloaded HTML. But how do you figure out the right selector for the job? For example, you can't just search for all href hyperlink tags, because there are lots of links you don't care about in the HTML. Instead, you must inspect the search result page with the browser's developer tools to try to find a selector that will pick out only the links you want. After doing a search for Beautiful Soup, you can open the browser's developer tools and inspect some of the link elements on the page. They can look complicated. It doesn't matter that the element looks incredibly complicated. You just need to find the pattern that all the search result links have. If you look at the ahref hyperlink elements, though, The search result links all have specific class. Looking through the rest of the HTML source, it looks like that class is used only for search result links. You don't have to know what the CSS class package snippet is or what it does. You're just going to use it as a marker for the hyperlink element you are looking for. You can create a beautiful soup object from the downloaded page's HTML text and then use the select a class name to find all hyperlink elements that are within HTML page. Step 3. Open web browser for each result. Finally, we'll tell the program to open web browser tabs for our results. By default, you open the first 5 search results in new tabs using the web browser module. However, the user may have searched for something that turned up fewer than 5 results. The soup select call returns a list of all the elements that matched your class selector. So the number of tabs you want to open is either 5 or the length of this list. Whichever is smaller. The built-in Python min function returns the smallest of the integer or float arguments it is passed. There is also a built-in max function that returns the largest argument it is passed. You can use min function to find out whether there are fewer than 5 links in the list and store the number of links to open in a variable named numopen. Then you can run through a for loop by calling range numopen. On each iteration of the loop, you use web browser open to open a new tab in the web browser. Ideas for similar programs. The benefit of automated tabbed browsing is that you can easily open links in new tabs to peruse later. A program that automatically opens several links at once can be a nice shortcut to do the following. Open all the product pages after searching a shopping site such as Amazon. Open all the links to reviews for a single product. Open the result links to photos after performing a search on a photo. You can try to develop Python codes for the same. We will continue our lessons in next video. Thank you. Please give your suggestions and feedbacks in comments.